Been watching the news for days, hours straight. When will my flight end? Just want it to end. Huh? What's on the news? Attention, BrookHaven news. The most popular person, Erick, is coming to BrookHaven. Prepared to stalk him. Well, they're gonna expect me to come out, so I'm falling. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! And now it's normal. I am a teapot, so I can't handle. Who's in that blue car? Who is that? Whoa. Hi there. Hello, Erick. I'm a business dude. Yes, my name is Business Dude. That's my legal name. And I got something for you. You are the most popular person in BrookHaven, so get in my car. He just stole me, and I don't even got my luggage. I don't even have my luggage, and he stole me. Who cares about luggage? This is far more important. Get out of my way, other blue car. Come on, Erick. Apparently, I have 2 floors. One floor. 2. Wait, what? But I don't own this. Yes, you do. It's yours now. I bought it for you. How much was it? Like 250 billion? Dude, that's insane! For you. Well, thanks a lot. I just chose an apartment. This thing's LED'd. Oh my. Yes. And I'll show you. Go to your master bathroom. I have a master bathroom? Like, dude, look at this thing. Hang on, no, this won't. I can close it. This is my master bathroom. Go inside the mirror like me. Join. Join. Oh, my safe. Money. Money. Food. Alright. This kitchen's awesome. Who has enough money to afford this? I do. I spend every last penny. I don't know how I'm gonna pay for my car bill. Dude, just go bankrupt. Okay. Now I've 3 words for you. Get. Yes. Let's see if he actually jumps off the balcony. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Did you seriously just jump off a balcony? How dumb is this guy? Well, he did buy me 250 billion. What are you still doing here? Scram, you dumb guy. Scram, guy who bought me this apartment. Scram. Off he goes. Alright, so apparently he's a weirdo. I can expect. I had to jump off of the luxury apartment thingy. Wait. I'm gonna get a job here. And the person who invited me to BrookHaven actually told me to go into a jail cell and a vent. Ah, my head. Whoa. Where am I? Where is it? What? Hang on. He also. What's this thing? Huh. Weird. I don't want to ever do that ever again because that was so. Like, the person who invited me told me lots of secrets about BrookHaven that not many know about. I see that guy one more time. Apparently I'm on the police. No way. Helicopter? Helicopter! Helicopter! I don't want to see in the back. I can't fly a helicopter. No. So there is police, rescue, rich, and military. I like the military, but I'm rich. So just give me my helicopter and fly! If any of you don't know how to fly a helicopter, this is keep on hitting the plus. Yeah. I gotta get a car. Oh, a lake. I wonder what it would be like living at a lake. Stay tuned to see Erick living on the lake. Stay tuned. Alright. Wait, who said that? Speak again, mysterious voice. Maybe it's just my head. Oh wait, I saw something. My helicopter! Oh. I know this looks pretty boring. What is this? A tent name. Seriously, put it. No, like there's a tent up here. Dude. I wonder what it would be like living on a lake. I wonder. I heard if you do this call, you could call a horse. Hi, horsey. Do you like apples? Oh, I ate your apple. Sorry, dude. No, not sorry. Alright, get your buttercup. Let's go hunt down that weird dude. I don't know why I'm like the most popular person in the world. You try to escape me? You better run. Better run. Where did he go? Where did he go? Wait, what's he doing? Is this illegal in BrookHaven? I guess I'm the mayor. Wait, look at him wiggling. Dude, this guy's amazing. He's wiggling his way. Dude. Up, he left. He left. Up, there he is. Oh, he's back on his toes. He's back on his toes. I'm drowning. He's fine. Help, I'm drowning. He'll probably fine. Oh, I live in daycare. I'm a daycare person. Let me up my tube. Let me up my tasty tube. Cookies in a tube. Ooh, my horsey's taking a bath. My horsey is going to draft. That's it. I love my luxury apartment more than anything, but I think it's really time to move. Sorry. There was someone in my house? You early crossed the line, dude. No, I don't care what you do. You are getting out of my house. Oh my gosh. Dummies. But I think it's time for me to get rid of the house. I'm about to do it. I did it. I bought the lake house. It was so expensive. You know the 250 billion for that apartment? Oh, this was like so much more. So much more. This was a 59 trillion house, but it has to be gold. From 59 trillion to $70 trillion. Dude, was it worth it? Was it? No, like, I deserve a house tour. I already sense greatness. Dude, this is so fancy. Fancy. I'm fancy. Oh, that was door lock. Blah, blah, blah. Oh no, I trapped myself in the pool. I can't swim. Just gonna. A bedroom with a table talk. Table talk. A tootie ta. Bunk beds. Oh, a dress up. A bed. I want to see this bathroom. Dude, this bathroom's so fancy. Oh, give me privacy, guys. Let's see what's on the. Let's see where it is now. There's only one thing that a lot of people do. You know the guy who bought me the apartment? Wait until he realized I got the lake house. Like $250 billion wasted on a thing I didn't even spend a day at. What? Too crazy? That thing? Am I too crazy? You think I'm too crazy? Chappy. Zap tap. Oh, I'm on fire. I just realized that. Oh, turn off the grill. The grill is still on fire. Oh, I lit myself again. Dude, Baba, bo. No, I don't want a roommate. I want him gone. Someone should lock my door. Whose house is this? It's mine. So you told me I wasted $250 billion? Yeah. I sold everything. I sold my house for it. Dude, you could live with me. Alright. Oh yeah, you get it. You get $250 billion. I love karma. Spend it, get it back. I should do that more often. Die, I will get revived. I can't swim. Help. If I don't know how to swim, my karma will make me learn how to swim. I can't